Dear friends, today let us discuss about 12 stocks including ITC, Fortis Smaller, Emphasis, etc. Those have announced bonus or stock split or dividend. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Stock split. A stock split is a corporate action and happens when a company increases the number of shares to boost the liquidity. Let us begin with Vardhaman Polytechs Limited. Vardhaman Polytechs Limited. Share is trading around rupees 78 per share. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 10 shares of Vardhaman Poly, your 10 shares convert to 100 shares. Both the ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Fortis Smaller Hospitals Limited. Share is trading around rupees 81 per share. Company announced a very huge dividend of rupees 40 per share. Both the ex-dividend date and record date is 23rd April 2024. To get the dividend benefit of Fortis Smaller Hospitals, you have to purchase the shares of the same company before 23rd April 2024. Vertos Advertising Limited. Share is trading around rupees 811 per share. Company announced a bonus and stock split, but the date is not at all finalized. Titan Intech Limited. Current market price is rupees 97 per share. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 3:5. That means if you have 5 shares of Titan Intech, you will get another 3 shares as bonus. So you will have 8 shares. Both the ex-bonus date and record date is not at all finalized. Visco Trade Associates Limited. Share is trading around rupees 274 per share. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. That means if you have 10 shares of Visco Trade Associates, your 10 shares convert to 50 shares. Both the ex-date and record date is not at all finalized by the company. If the company finalizes the ex-date and record date, definitely we will inform you through this channel as early as possible. Yug Decor Limited. Current price is 75 per share. Company announced rights issue in the ratio 1:2 at rupees 10 per share. That means if you have 2 shares of Yug Decor Limited, you are eligible to get one rights issue at the rate rupees 10. And record date for rights issue is 19th April 2024. Issue size is 35,96,423 shares. To apply for rights issue of Yug Decor Limited, you have to purchase the shares of Yug Decor Limited before 19th April 2024. And you can apply for rights issue from 7th May to 28th May. Emphasis. Current market price is rupees 2,310. Company announced a board meeting on 25th April 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is announcing Q4 and declaring dividend. Syngene International Limited. Share is trading around rupees 714 per share. This company also announced a board meeting on 24th April 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is announcing Q4 and declaring dividend. Davangere Sugar Company. Share is trading around rupees 82 per share. Company announced a board meeting on 19th April 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q4. Buyback of shares. Buyback refers to a strategy companies use by their outstanding shares. Buyback is used to reduce the number of shares available in open market. Tips Industries Limited. Share is trading around rupees 461 per share. Company announced buyback shares at rupees 625. Issue size is 5,95,000 shares. Buyback record date is 22nd April 2024. That means if you want to apply for buyback shares, you have to purchase the shares of Tips Industries before 22nd April 2024. and you can apply for buyback from 28th April 2024 to 5th May 2024. For the buyback process, you can use your trading platform itself. ITC Limited share is trading around rupees 426 per share. Anandrathi recommends to buy this share for a target of 460. ITC again, current price is rupees 426. JP Morgan recommends to buy this share for a target of rupees 490. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.